The universe is so big that it is almost impossible for the human brain to understand. Everything we have ever known, every person, every mountain, every ocean, every city, exists on one tiny planet. To understand how big the universe really is, we have to start small and slowly zoom outward. Earth feels huge to us. It takes hours to fly across a country and days to travel across oceans. But in space, Earth is actually very small. If you look at Earth from space, it is just a small blue sphere floating in darkness. Every human who has ever lived has lived on this one tiny world. Now let's compare Earth to the Sun. The Sun is so big that you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. If Earth were the size of a marble, the Sun would be the size of a large exercise ball. And the Sun is not even a particularly big star. There are stars in the universe that are hundreds of times larger than our Sun. But the Sun is only one part of our solar system. The solar system is much larger than most people imagine. If the Sun were the size of a basketball, Earth would be a small bead about 7 meters away. Jupiter would be much farther away, and Neptune would be hundreds of meters away. Most of the solar system is empty space. The planets are tiny and very far apart. Now imagine leaving our solar system and traveling to the nearest star. The closest star to our Sun is called Proxima Centauri. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, and even light takes over 4 years to get there. If you try to travel there in a car at highway speed, it would take millions of years. The distance between stars is enormous. Our Sun is just one star in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way contains around 100 billion stars. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take over 100,000 years to cross our galaxy from one side to the other. Our solar system is located in a small spiral arm far from the center of the galaxy. But the Milky Way is just one galaxy. There are billions of other galaxies in the universe. Some galaxies are small, and some are much larger than ours. Each galaxy contains billions or even trillions of stars, and many of those stars likely have planets. Scientists estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. This means the light we see from the farthest galaxies has been traveling for billions of years to reach us. When we look into space, we are actually looking back in time. So when you think about the size of the universe, remember this. We live on one small planet around one average star in one galaxy among trillions of galaxies. The universe is unbelievably big, and we are incredibly small. But somehow, on this tiny planet, we learned enough to understand how big the universe really is.